Hi guys, welcome back to MK Sportscars. We are at Goodwood Festival of Speed 2025 at the start line at MK Sportscars. Seeing all of these awesome bits of kit from Formula 1 cars to motorbikes to stock cars to drift cars going up the hill. So it's a great place to be, but it's also a great place to see MK Sportscars. And what do we have here on the stand? Well, we'll start off here. If you've never seen this before, first time coming in, seeing this at MK Sportscars, we've got the Sprint 185. Powered by a 2-litre Dura-Power engine, 200 horsepower, with our independent inboard suspension and independent rear suspension. And launching today at the show, we have our brand new MK Sportscars wheels. The VR1, wicked wheel, very lightweight, with a 13-inch size, 7 inches all round, stonking bit of kit. I couldn't be happy with it. Those are valuable. They do fit other models as well if you've got other brands. All the rear end in here is all the independent suspension. Fuel tanks are made by us. We have a Quaife Sierra differential, all billet rear end with the drive shafts that were standard fitment, and an interior comfortable place to be. Padded centre top, padded seat pads, and some awesome instrumentation there for you with your miles per hour. 150 mile an hour, this kicks out to about 140, this car. Great bit of kit, 0-60 in about 4.5 seconds. I mean, what's not to like? And if that don't float your boat and you think, I want one RPM, 11,200 RPM, we'll head over here to the Hayabusa powered cars. The Cup 200, this is a road legal race car. We run this in the 750 Motor Club. This is in the Cup 200 Championship there. All over the UK circuits, FIA approved roll cage, 6-speed sequential gearbox. We've got a lap timer and GPS, and we've also got wireless controls. This runs on a complemented wheel at the moment, a CXR with a Toyo 888Rs. You can have different tyres. We can run the Nankan AR1s, and again on the rear, lightweight. Let's pop the boot box and show you what's under here. Very minimal. We try to keep these cars as light as possible. This car at the moment, weighing in around about 460 kilos, with fuel about 480 kilos. You've got your FAA fire extinguisher in there, and all your fuel systems and safety systems, low impact crash protection, and the FIA roll cage. Now, moving on to the powertrain, which is the most interesting part. This particular engine, fully rebuilt by RLM Race Engines, some of the best in the business, I would say, Rich and his team. Now running the Gen 2 throttle adapters. These are a billet adapter made with us and RLM. They do that and support us. Angles it all under the bodies. Makes 207 horsepower, 177 at the wheels. Great. 4 pots stopping it. We've got 4-pot wheel wells on there. All our billet front end, inboard suspension. Just built for one thing: going fast around a track. Now today I would love to show you it going up the hill. Maybe next time we get that opportunity, but these are the cars queuing up. These are the cars queuing up at the front of our tent here. We're at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. You've got everything from a Lamborghini Urus to a Lotus Emiras to the new Honda Preludes, and so many new model launches here at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. You must get down here. If you haven't got here the opportunity this year, you've got to get here next year. 4 days will probably be just about enough to get around it, because it's a proper festival. Look out there, guys. There is so much going on. All the major mainstream manufacturers, all the new car launches, just activities everywhere. And of course, if you're a petrol head like I am, you are just gonna live, breathe, and enjoy the day so much. That's it here from the Goodwood Festival of Speed. If you wanna know more about the MK Sports Car range, whether it be the Cup 200, or whether it be the Dura-Power Sprint 185, or which we haven't got here today, Lewis is gonna turn you around. If you want to turn a Mazda single donor vehicle into one of our awesome RX-5 cars, then hook us up, phone call, email here at MK Sportscars. That's us signing off. Thanks to Lewis, thanks to Neil and the team back at the workshop for supporting us here at the Goodwood Festival of Speed 2025. Catch you next time, guys.